to fit the Mosin. Now Bruce, the bullet face, the face of the bullet, the cartridge face, different diameter than 7.62 by 5.4R. Why, yes, you were right. But back in the 20s, the biggest surplus company around Bannerman bought a boatload of Westinghouse and Remington Mosin Nagants. That Russia didn't honor their contract, you know the story of it. But anyway, they reworked the bolts and converted a bunch to 30-06. Wow! The cartridge head of a 308 and a 30-06 are the same. I tracked down a Bannerman bolt. So now I have that. At the same time, the guy also had the converted part. This, ow, my back. This is a Bannerman converted 30-06. This is the bolt. Now if you look, that bolt head, the rim, the edge, much thicker than your average Mosin. Smaller diameter case head. So now I can save the barrel, have a 30-06 Mosin, put the bolt over to my other setup, and I got a 308 Mosin. How cool is that? I've got it. I've got enough for class. Alright, we now have 90-degree face. I gotta wipe this thing down fast. No, a little bit more. Just a fraction more. But overall, pretty good. Just another fraction. So, those are the good future projects. 308 Mosin. I'm psyched. And why 308, Bruce? Well, I like to load my own ammo, and I like it accurate for these big barrel guns. 311 diameter ammo, limited choices. Sierra Match King 174s. It's about as good as it gets. But go down to 308. Oh baby. Now we got burgers. We got some smoking bullets we can load in our cartridges. Smoking. But mainly, I just wanted to say I built a 308 Mosin. Do the right thing, do the wrong thing, or do nothing. Well, I always love doing something. It's actually pretty official. Now I know this must be a long video, but oh man, I gotta be leaving soon. And by the looks of it, I'm on Frontier. 750K upload, 2.8 meg download. It's supposed to be 3. It's always 2.8. But Blue Ridge just ran some fiber optic, so soon I'll be able to get 20 up, 20 down. Technically, ooh, it came out. Technically, I could get 30, maybe even 40 by now. But for me, what I do, 20 up, 20 down, oh, golden. There we go. This is that little piece I was talking about. The pilot. Which slipped out, which they do from time to time. There's the pilot. Goes down the center hole. Has a flat spot where the key hits, where the Allen screw hits. Okay. Alright. Get rid of our tape. I can. Yeah, yeah. That is the slickest oil I've ever come up with. But think about it. Slickest, best oil I ever used. Total cost $30 a gallon. Not $10. Not $10 for a little squeeze tube. But it's my AR, I have to. Oh. Yeah. There we go. That was our little shelf spacer. Did the trick. There we go. And now, I'm ready for class. We have our 90-degree flat. We'll make it purty later and add the 11-degree. Alright, remember, drink more shine and eat more bacon. See ya.